Hey, it's Ryan. So I know I've talked to a few of you about this concept of being able to utilize your AE emails that come in every day. We all get them, and most of the time we just delete them or put them in a folder. This strategy gives you the ability to create at least one new piece of content every single day, and it takes minutes. So I'm just going to show you an example of what this looks like. So today I got one from Tyler Bilby at Oak Tree Funding. Now, obviously, this isn't an investor that I've used often, but it's a possibility, right? It gives us something to talk about. So Airbnb investing is extremely hot in the marketplace, which gives us that extra relevancy factor. So this video can be as simple as this, and I'll run you right through it. Hey, I'm Ryan Speltz, and I am super excited about this new Airbnb product we just got. We can actually help you finance your new Airbnb without utilizing any income at all. Now, how does this work? We offer some flexible financing options. We can actually tailor the loan directly towards your Airbnb investment, and we can understand that this is some unique value and has, exorbitant income potential for your short-term rental. The cool thing is we got some competitive terms, favorable loan to values, which means lower down payments than many of the other place, and the interest rates that match it. Now, obviously, this is specific to your situation, but we would definitely take a look, and the rates are really good on these products. We have super smooth processing, so quick applications, quick approvals. We want to make sure that everything lines up super fast, and really the dependent piece on these programs is really all about the appraisal. Coming in at value. And then we want to make sure that the Airbnb numbers line up. Even better thing, before you make an offer, we can actually run a report that shows you whether this is going to approve or not. And so we can actually send you out there with basically an underwritten pre-approval as long as you qualify as a borrower for the credit score and credit score requirements. And then we also give you that expert guidance on the backside. So we can actually help you with the Airbnb side of being able to know what your financing is, know what it looks like projecting out long term, and then you can structure your nightly rates around that. So make sure that you're reaching out to us with some questions. Partner with us on this. It's going to be an awesome, awesome way for you to increase your Airbnb portfolio. So now that took me about a minute and a half to record that video. We can put it in an editor and chop it up or just post it just like that. This is the awesome piece about this entire plan that I've mentioned for you. It really is as simple as just reading the bullet points and making sure that you are able to communicate effectively. I would change some of this stuff that I just spit out only in the regards of I probably used a couple of trigger terms there with the rate and the quick approvals and that kind of stuff. So we want to make sure that we're kind of backing off of those trigger terms and make sure you're knowing those going in so that you're compliant. But this is a super easy way for you to get in front of all of your real estate agents on social media and get new product ideas out there that you may or may not use. And you don't even have to have all the answers. Just wait for those questions to come in. And when they call, you say, yep, this is a brand new program, so I don't have all the information. But tell me what, give me all of your questions and I'll make sure that I get all the right answers for you and your clients. And your next client will be 100% taken care of because I've done the research on these programs. Super easy sales pitch for you. I'm super excited to see your videos going out. Talk to you soon.